What's up, Tamarcus TV? And I'm up with another one, and y'all already know what time it is. We got a little unboxing today, and I want to give a shout out to 1791 on sending me out this right here. Yeah, we finna hop into it, man. Hey, y'all, the giveaway is coming up pretty soon, and how I'm gonna do the giveaway, I'm gonna get probably about 2 optics to give away, and I'm gonna pick. Might be more than 2. I might do a first, second, and a third giveaway. But closer to get, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna keep y'all informed. So stay tuned to the giveaway. At 1,500 subs, we're doing the giveaway. So stay tuned to that, man. Let's get into this. See what this is. See what all this. Let's see what all they sent. Yeah, they sent a good little package. Man, if y'all see anything in this video that y'all like or want to see more of, I'm going to have a link in the description. Okay, this all the holsters. It's a little booklet, pamphlet of all their holsters and belts. Leather. It's all this, a little book, y'all. They stuff. Hope y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see it. Y'all get the picture. It's a leather holster company. And they sent out this belt too. Get this boy out. Oh yeah. I like this. I like this. Okay. What y'all think? It's a belt to hold the holsters. I reached out to them. I said, man, I need something I can put my 1911 in. Donald Trump. This inside the waistband holster right here. That's what it look like. We're gonna open it up and get this thing open. Oh, and this look like it's gonna hold like what this fit. It fit 38 specials. Oh yeah, that's what's up. I got something that can go in there. Bow! Look at that. This is my Rock Island. Ain't nothing in there. Let me show y'all. Ain't nothing in there. It's empty. It's empty. But this is my Rock Island 38 special. Let's see how that fit. Tight. That's one thing about that leather. It's gonna fit tight. Gotta break this boy in. I think I got it on right. Yeah. So that won't keep you from snagging in the clip. See, it's gonna fit like this on the inside. Oh yeah. That fit right. That fit right. Don't hold on these little things, but okay. 1791, man. What y'all think about that one? And this one, optic ready, full size firearms. So this fit the F&N 40, the F&N 57, the F&N 9C. It fit the Glocks, your HK, your SIG, your Springfields. Okay. Let's see what this about. And it's harder. See, this soft. This soft. What is this? Let's see. It's outside the waistband, right hand. I think this out. I think this outside. Gotta be. I left my other. This for the 19. Yeah. Like this will fit my dagger. This will fit my dagger. And I guess the belt, the belt go through there. Some country stuff. I'm gonna have to figure it out. out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out, y'all. But it feels good. It's hard. Yeah, I'm gonna figure that one out. This is the one I really was wanted to see and how it fit. This one fit your Kimber, your Sig 1911s, if your Colt 1911 and your Kimbers. This is the one I wanted to see. This fit the 1911 Donald Trump, empty, clear. We clear, y'all. Oh, Donald Trump. Same direction. But this is what I wanted to see, how this fit. Okay, that's what I wanted to know, how that'll fit. So we got Donald Trump at home. How that fit in there, y'all? What y'all think? And like I said right here, it's some hard leather right here. I don't know what, but I'm gonna figure out how this belt go. And however that belt go, it's gonna fit right on one of these loops or something like this. It's gonna fit. Okay. Shout out to 1791Gunleather for sending me out this, man. I like this. I appreciate that. I like this. Got good tension on it. It ain't going nowhere. And this for outside the waistband when I want to have my cowboy boots on and my cowboy hat. And I got old Donald Trump just sitting right there. Oh yeah. I like that. This one's soft. That's alright, but I like this hard leather than this soft. That's just me. I like this. I like that. Drop down in the comments and tell me what y'all think. The Donald Trump or the Rock Island. Which one would y'all tote on y'all on the everyday carry? Or if y'all just outside, you know, messing around the yard. Which one would y'all tote? The Donald Trump or the old country bumpkin? Yeah, I like that. But yo, link gonna be in the description. Like I say, if y'all see anything on this table that y'all like, drop down that link and, you know, tap in and they're gonna get you right. And stay tuned for the next video. We out.